The VBTP-MR Guarani marks a major leap forward in the modernization of Brazil's land forces. Developed jointly by Iveco Defence Vehicles and the Brazilian Army, this 6x6 armored personnel carrier was conceived under the Urutu-III modernization program to replace the aging EE-11 Urutu fleet, designed with both mobility and protection in mind. The Guarani represents Brazil's ambition to establish a domestically produced, modular combat vehicle capable of adapting to multiple roles. With more than 2.5 billion euros invested in its development and production, the Guarani is set to serve as the backbone of Brazil's mechanized infantry through 2035 and beyond. What makes the VBTP-MR Guarani exceptional is its modular design. The Brazilian Army plans a full family of variants to perform a wide range of missions, from armored personnel transport VBTP and anti-fighting VBCI, to mortar carrier VBCMRT, command post VBEPC, and anti-aircraft VBCA-AE configurations. Each version can be fitted with different weapons systems and specialized equipment, transforming the Guarani into a multi-role platform suited for modern asymmetric and conventional warfare. The 8x8 variant serves as the base for Iveco's SuperAV, now also in service with U.S. forces, showing the vehicle's proven adaptability on the global stage. Equipped with Elbit's UT-30BR or Ares REMAX remote-controlled weapon stations, the Guarani offers superior firepower and precision. The UT-30BR turret supports a 30mm Bushmaster II autocannon, a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun, and optional anti-tank guided missiles. Its advanced fire control system includes thermal sights, laser rangefinders, and a stabilized platform, allowing accurate firing on the move. The REMAX variant, locally produced in Brazil, mounts a .50 caliber heavy machine gun, offering a lightweight yet lethal solution for close support missions. These features make the Guarani not just an armored carrier, but a formidable combat system. Survivability lies at the heart of the Guarani's design. The hull provides ballistic protection against small arms and artillery fragments, while optional kits offer enhanced resistance against IEDs and mines. Its hydropneumatic suspension, double-disc ABS braking system, and fire suppression systems contribute to superior crew safety. The vehicle is also equipped with laser warning receivers and NBC protection systems, ensuring survivability in complex modern battlefields. With their conditioning and ergonomic interiors, the Guarani enhances crew comfort, extending mission endurance even in harsh tropical environments. Since entering service in 2012, the Guarani has become the workhorse of Brazil's mechanized units. From the 30th Mechanized Infantry Battalion in Uberlândia to the 11th Mechanized Infantry Brigade in Campinas, hundreds of Guarani vehicles have been delivered nationwide. Their field performance has validated the platform's reliability, tactical flexibility, and ease of maintenance. With each delivery phase, the Guarani continues to replace outdated platforms, ensuring Brazil's army remains operationally ready across its vast and diverse terrain from Amazon jungles to open plains. Beyond national service, the Guarani has caught the attention of international buyers. Countries such as Ghana, Lebanon, and the Philippines have already procured units. With more potential deals on the horizon, Argentina has signed a letter of intent to acquire over 150 vehicles, while Malaysia, Chile, and Colombia have expressed strong interest. The Guarani's cost efficiency, local manufacturing potential, and combat-proven features make it a competitive choice against Western and Eastern counterparts, positioning Brazil as a credible global defense supplier. Recent developments highlight the Guarani's constant evolution. In 2021, the Brazilian Army tested an engineering variant featuring excavation and obstacle clearing tools from Pearson Engineering. In 2023, an anti-aircraft version equipped with the RBS-70NG surface-to-air missile system was unveiled, demonstrating the vehicle's expanding capabilities. Future iterations may integrate AI-assisted targeting, battlefield networking, and hybrid propulsion, solidifying the Guarani as a next-generation platform ready for future warfare. The VBTP-MR Guarani is more than an armored personnel carrier. It's a symbol of Brazil's technological progress and defense self-reliance. Combining versatility, protection, and firepower, it bridges the gap between traditional APCs and modern wheeled IFVs as Brazil continues to refine the platform and explore export opportunities. The Guarani's impact on regional defense will only grow stronger. Stay updated with the latest global military innovations. Subscribe to Military Lake for more in-depth analysis, battlefield technology updates, and exclusive coverage of cutting-edge defense systems from around the world.